Hi and welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. My name is Erin, and on my videos I show you how to create DIY bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. On this week's video, I'll be showing you how to create a DIY hair oil. This provides instant shine and sleekness to the hair. Not only that, but it helps with split ends. And best of all, it is completely silicone free. So let's go ahead and get started. To help strengthen the hair strands and increase shine, but also reduce the appearance of split ends, I will now be using for my first ingredient, argan oil. Next, I'll be adding some olive squalene. This helps to soften the hair while adding some shine, but not making the hair greasy. Instead of using silicone in this hair oil formula, I've decided to use Natrasil. This is plant-based. It actually comes from olive oil esters, and it helps to give the hair manageability and improve shine. Next, I'll be adding some vitamin E oil. This is great if you have dry or damaged hair. It also helps with split ends and encourages hair growth. So this next step is completely optional, and that is adding essential oils to this formula. Now, I am choosing not to do this today simply because I am using this plastic pump bottle. And over time, if you use essential oils, it can break down the plastic containers, causing damage and leaks. Before packaging my hair oil, I am going to be stirring this just to make sure that everything is mixed really well together. To apply this hair oil, it's fairly easy. You're going to start by applying it to freshly clean and dry hair. You're going to want to just use a few drops, and you're going to start at the very top, working your way all the way down to the very ends of the hair, making sure that every hair strand has been nicely covered. So here is the formula along with any substitutions that I used to create this hair oil today. Now, depending on your hair care needs will determine how often you use this. For me personally, I use this about 1 to 2 times a week. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.